So we've completed the first part of the interiors of this particular space. We've added a floor and a ceiling. We set up a number of views, and now we're ready to add some cabinetry. We want to do a little coffee bar, sink kind of thing over here. Uh, Almost a kitchen, but not really a kitchen, a full kitchen. And then on the other side, we want to, and that's in this elevation right here. If we go here, matter of fact, let's turn on so we can, it might be useful to be able to see our kitchen. Whoops, lost that. Uh, let's see if we can't unhide. It keeps flipping on me from that view to that view. When I right click, there we go. Unhide and view by category. And then let's do this. And so we've got D, which is, this is where we're going to put those cabinets. Now we've got to make sure that we leave enough room right here for entry of ADA entry. So we need a turning radius. We probably need at least 6 feet off of this wall back to where our cabinets are going to start. And I'm going to put an interior wall right there to kind of block the view of the cabinetry after I get it in there. The other thing I'm going to do as I go to put in this cabinetry is I need to change this to a plumbing wall because this is going to have vents and stuff on it. So that's the first thing I'm going to do here is go in and just select that wall, and I've got a plumbing partition created right here, and all that is I took a basic wall partition, I duplicated it, and then edited and made this, instead of 3 5/8 a metal stud, I made this a 5 5/8 for a 6-inch stud. And so let's just close that out, and we're going to change this out real quickly to a 6 7/8 inch, which should be a plumbing wall. And so now we've got this as a plumbing wall. And we're going to go to elevation D, which this is the elevation where we're going to see the cabinets, and then we'll use the camera view to kind of see what was going on. We may have to widen the camera view to actually see them as we go and put them in. So let's start with the cabinets. The first thing we need to do is understand a little bit about kitchen cabinets, or cabinets in general, some general dimensions. The normal kitchen cabinet is 36 inches high. It can be anywhere between 32 and 36 inches tall, depending on the users. The standard cabinet, most manufacturers who manufacture pre-made cabinets, they'll use a 34.5-inch height for what is called, this is called the base cabinet, the cabinet on the base. And what we're doing is looking at the cabinets on side. This is a base cabinet, and this is a wall cabinet above it. And then they'll have an 1.5 inch of countertop, whatever that countertop might be. It could be marble, could be granite, could be laminate, or something like that. And then usually there's 18 inches between the bottom of the wall cabinet. This is where the backsplash usually is. All right. And then this cabinet can be 30, 36, and 42 inches as a standard. That doesn't mean that you can't have special custom cabinets made. And of course, most ceilings range between 8, 9, and 10 feet. So we're going to put in a series of base cabinets, and we're going to just use the standard base cabinets that come with Revit as kind of placeholders. And then we could go back and go to a manufacturer and pull down their cabinetry and replace that cabinetry if we wanted to with another style, but we're just going to use the base cabinets in this case. So to do that, I drew out a sketch. I decided that I wanted this wall to be somewhere around 16 feet. Well, I took some measurements here, and let's just do that. Okay, so somewhere around 16 feet, something like that would give me enough room to have a good wheelchair access and a good kind of entry area from the outside around that. So I'm going to shoot, I shot for about 16 feet of cabinetry. Uh, oh, that's not the one I want. And then you'll see this is my basic layout. I've got a refrigerator. I've got a drawer unit here that's got a solid face, kind of a slide out drawer unit, and then an ice machine, and then a cabinetry that's a trash drawer unit that pulls out, and then the sink base, this is where my sink's going to go, and then a dishwasher, and then a 4-drawer cabinet unit, and you'll see what that is, and then a refrigerator, a 30-inch refrigerator here. You'll also see right here, I kind of cropped it off, but there's a 3-inch filler there that's usually used to make sure that there's room enough for the refrigerator door to open properly. So I'm going to put a filler there. And then there's going to be a series of upper cabinets here. So that's going to be the general layout. So that's what we're ready to model. And with that done, then I'm going to stop this video, and in the next one we'll start placing cabinets in.